Hello.
Coffee nerd. General store. Oh wow, she's pregnant again.
Oh, it's our 10-year anniversary today. Do you want me to leave?
Guess I have to carry him.
Looks nice.
It's lovely.
My friend is driving up from London. He's going to be here in about an hour with his girlfriend, so I need to get things ready for them. I really like that my cooking system fits into these two little pouches. Yes, let's tidy this room. Oh, you don't know. You too dopey. I gotta be a little careful before a hike. I've got some food intolerance that I'm still figuring out right now. I left half of the chicken, which is what I'm gonna take tomorrow for lunch. You look nervous and you're the one behind the camera. Do you ever watch Outdoor Boys?
Yeah, I enjoy it.
Channel, you're in a Outdoor Boys. And we're still the same distance.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. We don't have to come out porch-wise through here anymore.
I snore.
I have earplugs.
Do you have earplugs?
I've got spare.
Yeah, that's me done.
Hello.
Say hello to your mommy who's gonna watch this later.
I think I hit the one rock in the entire field there.
Do you not want it to be more tight?
Well, if I pull it tight, it just kind of pulls it up and the air comes in. So I'm just having it there so that if it does get windy, it doesn't flap against the inner.
I'm just open.
We just set up the tent and put everything in, ready for later. We're going to go for a hike, but we wanted to get things set up now so that we don't have to do it after the hike. It's going to rain later, so yeah, just going to grab the stuff, get ready for the hike. There you go, both mic'd up. Say something.
Chuck's being a little nerd.
What did you just say?
Called you a nerd. You heard me. We look like a matching gay couple though, as well. Similar style trousers, similar backpack, similar style top. Chanté's just, you know, with us for the vibes.
There you go.
Fucking Archie's doing his thing. Mate, we're on the downhill. General store. I just find it funny because, you know, it's a general store.
She's pregnant again.
Oh wow, she's pregnant again. And they were roommates.
So let's introduce you. You're Richard.
I am Richard.
How do I know you?
Friend of a friend.
You gotta say only nice things about Rory now.
Nah, he's a fucking weirdo, mate.
Who's Finnish on your side? Your dad, I guess?
Dad's mum, so my grandmother.
Ah.
She's Finnish. She is finished.
She's
Hey.
finished. So this is the village you were talking about?
Yeah. So once...
Oh, there's a big cock over there.
That's a big boy.
That is a big boy.
Big old boy.
Let's go.
How long have you guys been together now?
Almost 3 months.
Yeah, it'll be 3
Long
months.
already, wow. Much better with your anniversaries than me and Lizzie. When we went over yours for dinner and we're like, oh, it's our 10-year anniversary today.
Oh, fuck yeah, I remember
We were
that.
just like,
Oh shit, yeah.
do you want me to leave?
Oh, God. Swine's back. Why is it called that?
No fucking clue, mate.
Oh my gosh.
Looks like a swine's back, I guess.
There you go, guys. Oh. Okay, let's see some food.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the Tobok in the Scout? This is it. What's everyone's review? Not impressed, no. Oh, buddy. This little guy's finished with his hike. Oh, gee. Oh, this dog. He wants to be carried for the rest of the hike. You finished with the hike, buddy. Down, Archie. Down? Good boy. He's a good boy. Oh. There we go. Guess I have to carry him. Oh, buddy. There we go, buddy. You're okay. But yeah, so there you go. Jacob's ladder up there. We went up, around, and then along here. Had some lunch there, I guess, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I think we had our...
Yeah, it was by there.
Yeah, that's where we ate our food. And then all the way around. Kinder Scout, which was crap, a little bit.
Pretty shit, yeah. Give a little squeeze from the
Jacob's ladder's cool though. Hello. Oh, you're filming?
I wasn't before, I should have. A pub either looks nice
Yeah.
or has good food. It's very rare it's got both.
Oh, it's really quiet in here.
You can't have food with too much flavour. It was nice. As your boyfriend, it is my duty and luxury to have your leftovers.
How's your food?
It's lovely.
I think we're going to move the tent.
Yeah. We got another casualty here. Someone's tent's fallen down and they're not even here. We found someone who works here though, and yeah, he's coming to help sort it out. Our friend's tent is blowing down, so we're packing down all our stuff. It's currently 10:41. Yeah, we're going to pack everything down and get out of here. Unfortunately, a bit of a flop, but yeah, their tent was it collapsed on itself, so it's not much else to do other than go home. So
I am absolutely knackered. Driving back at midnight and getting here and then losing an hour from the clocks changing. Yeah, I was about to fall asleep when the tent started crumpling. So last night I was just chilling out, watching a Wild Homestead video, eating some snacks, and my tent just kept caving in with the sort of wind, but it would bounce back. And I was thinking, you know, this is going to be a bit difficult to sleep with because it, you know, it's sort of hitting me in the head, you know, and sometimes it's coming down up over my face, like that's how much it's sort of crumpling. So I was thinking, okay, well, I need to get up and brush my teeth, so I'll get up, brush my teeth, and then move the tent. So I put on my trousers and I start getting up. I turn the light on and I hear Richard just outside the tent, and he's saying, I think we need to leave. I get out, check his tent, and his tent's down and he's already packing up his stuff. So yeah, it was like a situation of like, yeah, when your tent's falling down, it can be pretty stressful in the middle of the night. So yeah, we just packed everything down, got out of there basically. On our way out, we saw another tent that had completely collapsed as well, and all their gear was on the floor, but there was nobody around. So I walked down to the office. I kind of wandered about, tried to find someone. No one was in the office, but I managed to find someone who worked there. He was just at the pub enjoying a drink, and yeah, I let him know that the tent's collapsed, and he knew who it was at the pub, so he went down, got them, and then I think 4 or 5 of us, put their tent back up, but it looked sketchy. It looked really, really sketchy. I don't think that tent probably stayed up all night. Yeah, pretty windy. It was 55-mile-an-hour winds. Obviously, it's going to be lower because there are some trees around, but it is still very, very open, so I wouldn't be surprised if the winds were still incredibly high, because yeah, our tents weren't the only ones struggling. I think if you are going to go camping in Edale and you're not totally sure about the weather, maybe you're going earlier in the year, maybe have a look at going to one of the campsites that's a bit more sheltered. But yeah, a bit disappointed. Hopefully we go back and win next time. I was actually considering doing some wild camping up there, and if the wind was this bad while we were on the campsite, it's a bit risky doing it on a mountain where you've potentially got, a 2-hour hike to get back to the car. It's a bit more risky. You don't really want to be doing that in the dead of night if your tent's collapsed and, you're struggling to pack it all down. And I'll probably hold off and just hope for better weather. Try to find a much better spot on a campsite, and yeah,